Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting essentials ready. Sign into Xbox Game Pass Ultimate and make sure your Quest 2 and host PC or Xbox are on the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Once done, open the Xbox app on your PC and enable multiplayer and streaming features. This lets your PC act as the host for cloud or local streaming. Make sure your Quest 2 is updated and the Oculus app on your phone is connected to the headset, so you can manage casting and app installations. Next, you configure the streaming path. Enable Xbox Remote Play or Cloud Streaming in the Xbox app, depending on whether you stream from PC or Xbox versus the cloud. If using your PC, install Virtual Desktop or enable Oculus AirLink/Oculus Link. Pair the Quest 2 with your PC by following pairing prompts and entering the headset IP if required. Once paired, launch the Xbox app and start a remote session. This creates a virtual display you can look into from the Quest 2. Finally, you put everything into action. Open Virtual Desktop, AirLink, or the cloud streaming option on your Quest 2 and connect to the host. Once connected, navigate the Xbox app or cloud library and launch the Game Pass title you want. The game will stream into your headset. If latency or disconnects happen, first check your router 5 GHz connection and move closer. Then reduce stream bitrate or temporarily disable firewall rules. These simple changes usually resolve common streaming issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.